Ready? Plug the AX5 Point of Sale into the power strip. If the AX5 Point of Sale is receiving power, the light at the bottom of the screen will be orange. To power on, push the button on the back of the screen until the light turns green. Once on, the terminal screen will play an NCR Voyix logo. The connected payment device will also power on, as well as the barcode scanner if you have one. Follow the prompts to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Whenever possible, we recommend using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Now, follow the prompts to configure on the screen. Answer each question and tap Next to continue. First, confirm your region and edit your time zone if needed. Next, sign in using the login and password for your Aloha Cloud back-office account. Then, select the store location where this terminal will be used and name and register your device. When prompted, allow this AX5 Point of Sale to be your primary station. If this is your second device, it will be identified as the second station. When prompted, allow permissions. Follow the prompts to allow Do Not Disturb access. Finally, tap Continue on the configuration prompt. Your AX5 Point of Sale setup is complete.